So today we're going to show you how to make a very easy Christmas wreath using paper cutouts and Derivan Kinderglitz, our famous glitter glue. Step 1. You need to prepare your paper. We're using some heavy duty card here and we're painting it with the Derivan chalkboard paint. We're using 3 colours, Christmas colours: Red Riding Hood red, deep green and dinosaur green. Derivan chalkboard paint is a good paint to use because it dries matte and it accepts the Kinderglitz so well. Step 2. You now need to cut out some shapes to go on your wreath. We've chosen to cut out stars and circles. Step 3. Once you've cut out all your shapes, then you can start decorating each of the shapes with the Derivan Kinderglitz. Have you tried Derivan's glitter glue? Derivan Kinderglitz. It's the world's most sparkly glitter glue. We couldn't get more glitter in if we tried. It's great for glitter crafts like Christmas wreaths. Don't take our word for it. Try it today. So we're almost finished now because I don't think we can fit many more of these decorations onto the wreath, but I hope you enjoyed it and it gave you some great ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are constantly uploading it with new how-to videos. Or have you got a video you'd like us to make or a question you'd like us to answer? Drop us an email. The address is in the description below and we'll make a video for you.